I will show you how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. Open Chrome extension, then click the IDM download link. Install IDM. Select the IDM file location and operation. After you install, go to Chrome. Search for IDM Chrome extension. Click this web. Click Learn More, why IDM is not in Chrome. Later at the top, right there will be a notification to allow the IDM application. After that, your IDM can be used.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.